This has to be the most easiest contest right now happening in Hawaii. You want to win the Mean Green Machine? Of course you want to win my vehicle. It's like the coolest car right now on the island. Not only am I saving money on gas, but I'm looking fly. We all want to look fly, right? So all you want to do is come into JDM Hawaii and take a test drive, and then you'll be given a lucky key. And we want you guys to tag us, okay? When you get that lucky key, you'll be entered to win the Mean Green Machine. Then your lucky key will go in this, and then we'll pick five. Five. Yes, there's gonna be 5 winners, but one of them get to go home with my vehicle. That's right. You get to drive my vehicle. So come on down. All through the month of May, we're waiting for you. Pick one of those keys here, right? And you get entered to win this right now. That's right. A car made.